I received this electric grill brush as a gift, and I wanted to show how it works and the difference it makes from a traditional grill brush. This is a cordless rotary grill cleaner designed for outdoor grills, and it comes with three interchangeable brush heads. It also has three speed settings and an adjustable angle design, which makes it easier to clean different parts of the grill without straining your wrist. One of the biggest advantages is that it's powered. So instead of scrubbing manually, the rotating brush heads do most of the work for you. That makes cleaning feel much faster and less tiring, especially if your grates have built up residue. The three speed settings let you adjust depending on how dirty the grill is. You can use a lower speed for lighter cleaning or increase it when you need more power. I also like the adjustable angle feature. Being able to change the head position makes it easier to reach the back of the grill or get into corners without awkward hand positions. Since it's cordless, you don't have to deal with extension cords, and it's easy to move around the grill freely. The battery runtime is rated for about 150 minutes, which is plenty of time for multiple cleaning sessions before needing a recharge. The brush head feels sturdy and designed for repeated use, and switching them out is straightforward. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift, and it makes grill cleaning a faster, easier, and much less of a workout compared to manual scrubbing. If you grill often and want something that speeds up the cleanup, this is a convenient tool to have.